In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add and resize container columns in card.go. So in order to add and resize those container columns, you first need to head over to card.go's website. You can head over and input their URL right here, and you can see here those two options. So you have the option to sign up using this choose a starting point wherein you just need to sign up if you already decided to publish a site that you have designed. Or you can head over and click onto this login option in order to log in and then just input your credentials through there. So this is what my dashboard looks like. I've already created an account, so this is what it looks like right now. Now let's head over and edit this, and I'll show you how you can add and resize those container columns that we're talking about. So in here you can see our actual container. This is considered a container right here. If you want to add another container, you can just locate wherein you want to add it. For example, we have in here this part. Just click on this plus icon. And in here you can see this container option. You can just drag and drop it wherever you want to put it, or you can head over and click on it and then it will be added right here. Now if you want to resize this particular container, you can head over and then click on this and you can choose this type. Choose in here column, and you can see in here that we have two columns. It can be 50% or you can adjust this column size whatever you want. Now you can head over and resizes if you already added something. Like for example, let's add in here the image. And as you can see, it's been resized altogether. If you want, you can also change the size of this image and it will actually be merged all together to the container that we have right here, and it will resize it all together from there as well. You can also click on the container and go to the settings right here. You can see the elements, attributes, visibility, and the likes that you can tweak into this part as well. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.